Situated in Siddharth Vihar, Ghaziabad, next to the well-established locality of Indirapuram, Shikhar Height is a under construction project by SG State. Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar Divakar and welcome to this episode of Project Review. Today we have come to another project called SG Shikhar Height. Shikhar Heights is a RERA registered project. It offers 682 units in total. The project has a total of 5 towers. Completion date of the project is September 2024. Two sizes in 2 BHK configurations are 1054 square feet and 1070 square feet. 3 BHK units are available in 1400 square feet to 1920 square feet. The base price of these units starts from Rs 41 lakhs and goes up to Rs 80 lakhs. Talking about the developer, the SG Group is more than 35 years old. The developer has already delivered residential projects such as SG Homes, SG Grand Phase 1, SG Oasis and SG Impressions etc. in locations such as Rajnagar Extension, Vasundhara and Sidharth Vihar. Some of their commercial projects are also under construction. When it comes to available amenities inside the project, the developer is aiming to provide modern facilities like Sky Garden on the top floor, a lap pool, landscape garden with mini forest, gym, jogging and installing track, etc. Shikhar Height is located very close to Delhi-Meerut Expressway. Situated to the east of Hindan River, the locality is surrounded by Vijayanagar, Pratap Vihar and Indirapuram. It shares decent connectivity with other prominent localities of Ghaziabad such as Crossing Republic and Vasundhara. However, traffic volume is on the heavier side, especially during peak hours, and prospective buyers need to take this into consideration. The Shahid Sthal metro station in Ghaziabad is 3 km from this project, whereas Noida Electronic City station, which connects it to the Noida and Delhi, is about 6.4 km from the project. The Mahamaya Sports Stadium is just about 4 km from here. In this project, you can see on my left hand side there are 2 sample flats already ready. These are 1920 square feet, and on the same floor you are going to get another 4 flats. So total 6 flats are going to be there on the same floor. And if I talk about the lift, you are going to get 3 lifts on this floor. Now I'm going to take you to a tour of a sample flat of this apartment. Let's get inside. Friends, right now I'm inside the sample flat and I'm sure you will be as excited to see this flat as I am. On my left hand side you can see there is a servant quarter and attached bathroom is provided by the developer. Right now we are in a 1920 square feet flat and you can see the living area of this flat is quite spacious. It is 12 by 17 and you can see 7-seater sofa can be easily placed inside this flat, and in fact a big size center table can also be placed. With the living area you are also going to get a small balcony which is quite good. Attached with the drawing you are also going to get an open kitchen which is 9 by 7, and there is an utility balcony, and breakfast nook is also given which can also be used as a serving area. In front of the kitchen you are going to get dining area. Now we are going to take you to the common bathroom. You can see the fixtures. There are vitrified tiles and it looks spacious. It's not very big but it's not also very small bathroom. Now let us get inside the master bedroom. We are inside the biggest room of this apartment and you can see, if I talk about the size, it's 14 by 11. You can easily place a big size bed here, and apart from the bed you can also put a small chair or a small table here which can be used for any other purpose in the room. Cupboard area has also been provided in this, and apart from the cupboard you can also going to get a wardrobe area. Wardrobe area is quite spacious as you can see, and apart from this you are also going to get an attached bathroom. Fixtures and tiles, flooring, everything is going to be quite good as per the builder in this flat. With the master bedroom you are going to get an attached balcony. You can easily place 2 to 3 chairs in this balcony and enjoy the view outside. After checking out the master bedroom, we will move towards the second bedroom of this apartment. But let us first talk about the flooring. Drawing area you are going to get granite stone, but if I talk about the bedrooms you will get tiles. Now let us go inside the second bedroom and see how does it look like. As we are inside the second bedroom now, you can put a mid-size bed here, and there is a cupboard area also. And attached is the bathroom. In the second bedroom, you are going to get vitrified tiles, but it looks like a wooden flooring. Friends, we are now inside the third bedroom. It is a 11 by 11 room, and you can easily place a mid-size bed here. Small chairs can also be placed inside this bedroom. Cupboard area is also provided here. Slider doors have been provided in all the rooms by the developer, and you can see this big size balcony which is about 7 feet. You can easily place 5 to 7 chairs in this balcony. This balcony basically a common balcony of bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. The construction is going on in full swing in this project, and for delivery and other details you can check the RERA website as well. Many prominent developers have their projects in Sidharth Vihar. Around 33% properties here fall in the range of rupees 40 to 60 lakhs, while 21% properties here are in the range of rupees 60 to 80 lakhs. A 3 BHK is the most common room configuration in this locality and accounts for approximately 43% of all the properties listed for sale on the Magicbricks website. Around 91% properties in Sidharth Vihar are multi-story apartments. Don't forget to visit to magicbricks.com for more information about the project and locality. Good road and metro connectivities, indoor amenities make Shikhar Heights as promising project near Delhi and Noida. However, the project is locating at a place which is still developing, and its future growth depends on the completion of many infrastructure projects. Hope you have liked the review of this project. If you have any queries and suggestions, do write to me in the comments. This is Ravi Kumar Divakar signing off with my cameraman Nitin Rajput.